I believe every kid can learn how to play the guitar. If you think you don't have the courage, I'm here to tell you you've got this. Remember, learning to play the guitar is a step-by-step process. If you don't go for your dreams, chances are, you won't be the next biggest pop, rock or Disney star. I teach hundreds of kids just like you how to play the guitar. They grow in confidence, one note, one song and lesson at a time. Now it's your turn, so let's jump in this together. Okay friends, this video is about how to tune your guitar. The most important lesson ever. 3 things I want to show you. Download the Guitar Tuner app to your phone or tablet. Use the link below in the description or simply type Guitar Tuner into the App Store and it's spelled as in tuna fish. Pause this video and join me once you have downloaded the app. Then you have completed step 1. Okay kids, so step 2 is to know the numbers and letters of each string. Okay, so the way that we number the strings is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And each string also has a letter. And the way that we can remember this is through an acronym of elephants and donkeys grow big ears. That's right. Let me say that one more time. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. So E, A, D, G, B and E. So those are the 2 most important things to remember for tuning. So make sure you've got your guitar tuner on and it should look like this on the screen. Brilliant. And just make sure it's set to auto and it's set to guitar. You can see now I'm talking that it's actually picking up my voice. Okay. So let me just explain about how the pegs work. Actually, let's go over which peg relates to which string. So this one here is the 6th string, so 6, 5, 4, and then 3, 2, 1. So it goes like that. I always recommend starting with the 6th string. Okay. Now the 2 different ways that the pegs turn, you can see that on the tuner. It's massively out of tune, and we're going to go over this in a moment. But if I turn it like this, away from myself, like that, which is anti-clockwise, you'll hear that the sound is going up, and on the tuner, you can see that that red line is getting closer to the center. Okay, so that's going higher. So if the red dot on the tuner is to the left, then the peg wants to go anti-clockwise. And you don't want to turn the pegs too much, so it's just tiny bits. Okay, now let's say that the red dot there is to the right, then the guitar is too high in pitch, so then we turn it clockwise. And you can see that the red dot's moving there. Okay, so that's the 2 ways that the pegs turn. And again, I recommend turning it in small amounts, because two of the mistakes people make when they're tuning the guitar is that they overturn the pegs and they snap strings, especially the first one, which is the thinnest one. And the other is that they turn the wrong pegs for the string that they're plucking. So just have that in mind as we go through this. Okay, so let's move into step 3 and let's get the guitar in tune, because this is the most important thing for any song that you play, no matter how great of a guitarist you are. If your guitar isn't in tune, it's just not going to sound right like the song. Okay, so please stick with this video and let's get the guitar in tune. Okay. I have written a book, Guitar Star in 30 Days, that teaches you everything you need to know to play the guitar in 30 daily lessons. You can order this book from Amazon by clicking the link below. So I'm plucking the 6th string. We want to do about 1 pluck per second, and we don't want to go too heavy like that. So nice light pluck, and you can see that the red dot is below. So I'm going to turn the anti-clockwise. You see it's getting closer. So small amounts. Cool. Now you can see on the tuner it went green and it made that sound. You know that you're in tune. And also, can you see when I pluck that now that it's showing me on the picture of the guitar that it's E, which is the 6th string, isn't it? Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next string, which is the 5th. Now you can see that one is too low, so I'm going to start to turn. Again, just doing 1 pluck per second, small turns. Get in there. Nearly there. Yes, okay, 4th. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos every Friday. String. So that's below. Turning. Yep. Okay, so I've done the first 4 strings. Now I'm going to move to the 3rd string. So you see on the guitar tuning app that it's lit up the 3rd string there, isn't it? This peg. So this is below. So I'm going to start to turn. That one's in tune. Okay, 2nd string, B string. And the last string. Okay. 1 tuned guitar. Okay, so I recommend practicing this before you play or practice your guitar, just to make sure your guitar is fully in tune. The app is absolutely brilliant. There are lots of other apps that you can use, but Guitar Tuner for me just seems the most easiest to do. It's very visual. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video on tuning your guitar. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up. Now that your guitar is tuned, check out my other video on how to play guitar for kids. I have written a book, Guitar Star in 30 Days, that teaches you everything you need to know to play the guitar in 30 daily lessons. You can order this book from Amazon by clicking the link below. Please comment below with your #1 question, and please let me know what you like most about this video.